Have you ever wondered if something new and exciting is just around the corner? Can you feel the vibrations from the universe as if it's sending you a signal? The special new moon in Virgo on September 3rd is offering you a powerful opportunity to reset your life and yourself. Imagine a wave of fresh energy flooding into your life, igniting new beginnings and driving deep, transformative changes. This isn't just another lunar phase. The new moon in Virgo is a potent chance for you to align your intentions with the universe, identify hidden red flags in your life, and manifest your deepest desires. In this video, we'll explore how the September 3rd new moon in Virgo can shape your destiny, help you recognize and overcome obstacles, and harness its power for personal growth. Whether you're looking to refresh your career, strengthen your relationships, or embark on a new learning journey, this new moon brings special opportunities your way. By watching this video, you'll gain a clear understanding of how to make the most of these cosmic energies, clarify your personal challenges, and step into a new phase with confidence and clarity. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more exciting content. Leave a comment and share your thoughts. Together we can build a thriving and positive community. New moon in Virgo, a golden opportunity to resolve lingering issues and perfect yourself. September 3rd marks a special celestial event as the new moon appears in Virgo, bringing with it a powerful and positive energy to help us resolve lingering issues and pave the way for new developments and self-improvement. This is not just a time to close old chapters, but also a wonderful opportunity to restructure your life, organize everything meticulously, and step into a new phase with confidence and clarity. In the realm of astrology, Virgo is known for its perfectionism, meticulousness, practicality, and carefulness. When the new moon appears in Virgo, it brings a wave of energy that encourages us to reassess our lives, from daily habits, work management, to personal relationships. This is the time to clearly see what is incomplete, what needs adjustment, and what can be improved to make life more harmonious and efficient. The combination of the new moon's energy with Virgo creates an ideal time for you to focus on self-improvement. This could include developing healthier habits, enhancing work efficiency, improving health, or even reshaping your long-term goals. It's an opportunity to reflect on the past, make wise decisions, and build a clear roadmap for future growth. Some key highlights of this period include new moon quincunx Mars in Aries, retrograde. This combination might bring challenges when there is a mismatch between your intentions and actions, or between your goals and the reactions of those around you. You may find it difficult to gain support from others, especially from those in positions of power or influence such as superiors or family members. This inconsistency might cause confusion or stress. However, on the positive side, it pushes you to work harder, stay determined, and not easily give in to difficulties. This is a time to showcase your resilience through relentless effort while finding satisfaction in helping others, as this is how you affirm your value and strength. New moon trine Saturn. This aspect helps you become more serious, responsible, and practical in each of your decisions. It brings a careful approach, allowing you to analyze every detail before acting, helping you make sound choices without being swayed by fleeting emotions or ambitions that haven't been fully considered. Even though Mars in Aries, retrograde, is squaring Saturn, which might lead to impatience, frustration, or unnecessary conflicts, this is also an opportunity for you to learn how to control your emotions and handle situations intelligently and skillfully. During this period, your ambition to conquer may grow stronger, but you might also face challenges in expressing your passions, especially when confronted with opposition from powerful or influential figures. However, the new moon trine Saturn at this time will bring calmness and the ability to handle crises effectively. Instead of rushing into new projects or chasing after temporary desires, you should focus on improving and optimizing what you already have. Determination, resilience, and a strong work ethic will be the keys to achieving your long-term goals. This balanced state will lead to tangible results, recognition from those around you, and most importantly, greater confidence in your personal development journey. Advice during the new moon in Virgo. During the new moon in Virgo, make the most of this energy to improve all aspects of your life. This is the perfect time to reorganize everything, from work, personal life, to relationships. Ask yourself, what in my life needs more perfection? What habits should I change? Which goals should I achieve? For your career, now is the time to reassess your work processes, refine your approach, and find ways to increase efficiency. Don't hesitate to adjust old plans. Instead, seek out new methods to achieve your goals. Virgo not only demands perfection, but also values discipline and carefulness in every decision. This means you should focus on what is truly important, eliminate unnecessary elements, and create a more effective work environment. In terms of health, this is the ideal time to start a new self-care regimen. Virgo is a zodiac sign closely associated with health and physical well-being, so the new moon in this sign will help you easily recognize what your body needs to become healthier. This might include improving your diet, increasing physical activity, or even adjusting your sleep patterns for a healthier lifestyle. Take this opportunity to care for both your body and mind, as a healthy body will help you achieve greater success in life. In personal relationships, the new moon in Virgo is an opportunity to reassess your connections and find ways to improve them. Virgo symbolizes attentiveness and carefulness, so this is the time to pay attention to the small details in relationships, making them stronger and more enduring. Ask yourself, are there any relationships that need mending? Are there misunderstandings that need resolving? Take the time to listen and share so your relationships can become more harmonious and meaningful. In summary, the new moon in Virgo is a golden opportunity to resolve lingering issues and perfect yourself. Make the most of this energy to reorganize your life, focus on long-term goals, and prepare for a brighter and more successful future. Through hard work, perseverance, and meticulousness, you will see your efforts rewarded, helping you progress further on the path to perfection and success. The impact of Mars and Saturn's transition into Virgo. The transition of Mars and Saturn into Virgo marks a period of profound influence, where the meticulous and perfectionist nature of Virgo is brought to the forefront by the powerful energies of these two significant planets. This phase will deeply affect various aspects of life, particularly how we approach work, manage personal relationships, and develop our overall sense of responsibility and discipline. Mars in Virgo, the catalyst for precision and efficiency. When Mars, the planet of energy, drive, and assertiveness, enters Virgo, it injects a dynamic surge of motivation into our daily routines. Mars is known for its fiery and action-oriented nature, and when combined with the methodical and detail-focused energy of Virgo, it creates a potent force for getting things done with precision and efficiency. This period is characterized by a strong desire to organize, optimize, and perfect every aspect of our lives. Under Mars's influence in Virgo, you may find yourself becoming more industrious, eager to tackle tasks that have been lingering and to bring order to chaos. This is a time when your work ethic is likely to be at its peak. You might feel compelled to analyze every detail, refine processes, and eliminate inefficiencies. Whether it's in your professional life, personal projects, or even daily chores, Mars in Virgo drives you to achieve the highest standards. However, this intense focus on perfection can also bring challenges. Mars in Virgo may make you more critical, not only of yourself, but also of others. The urge to do everything flawlessly can lead to stress and frustration if things don't go exactly as planned. There's a risk of becoming overly demanding or impatient, especially if those around you don't share your newfound drive for excellence. It's important to remember that while striving for perfection is admirable, allowing space for flexibility and accepting imperfections can lead to more balanced outcomes. This phase is an excellent opportunity to work on projects that require meticulous attention to detail. Whether you're embarking on a new work project, improving your health routines, or organizing your living space, Mars in Virgo supports you in making tangible progress. The key to harnessing this energy effectively is to set realistic goals, manage your expectations, and avoid getting bogged down by minor setbacks. Saturn in Virgo, building foundations with discipline and responsibility. As Saturn, the planet of discipline, structure, and long-term goals, moves into Virgo, it brings a sobering and reflective energy that encourages us to take a serious look at our lives. Saturn is often associated with lessons of responsibility and maturity, and in Virgo, it emphasizes the importance of careful planning, attention to detail, and a disciplined approach to achieving our goals. During this time, you may feel a stronger inclination to reevaluate your commitments and responsibilities. Saturn in Virgo urges you to establish solid foundations in all areas of your life, whether it's in your career, personal relationships, or self-development. This is not a time for shortcuts or hasty decisions. Instead, Saturn encourages you to take a methodical and patient approach to building your future. One of the most significant impacts of Saturn in Virgo is the push towards creating sustainable and effective systems. You may find yourself drawn to projects that require long-term dedication and careful management. This could involve refining your daily routines, improving your organizational skills, or taking on responsibilities that demand a higher level of precision and accountability. Saturn in Virgo challenges you to rise to the occasion, to meet the demands of your environment with a thoughtful and pragmatic mindset. However, Saturn's influence can also bring about feelings of pressure or constraint. The need to meet high standards can sometimes feel overwhelming, leading to self-doubt or fear of failure. It's crucial during this time to recognize that growth and success often come through perseverance and learning from setbacks. Saturn teaches that real progress is made through consistent effort and the willingness to confront challenges head-on. The synergy of Mars and Saturn in Virgo, navigating ambition with discipline. The simultaneous presence of Mars and Saturn in Virgo creates a unique and powerful dynamic. Mars, with its assertive and energetic nature, combined with Saturn's disciplined and structured approach, forms a potent force for accomplishment. This combination can be both highly productive and challenging, as it requires balancing the drive for immediate action with the need for careful planning and long-term thinking. During this period, you may feel a strong internal push to achieve your goals, but you'll also need to navigate the limitations and responsibilities that Saturn imposes. Mars might urge you to move quickly, to act on your ambitions and desires, but Saturn will remind you of the importance of patience, caution, and thoroughness. This can create an internal tension between wanting to forge ahead and the need to ensure that everything is done correctly and sustainably. If you can harmonize these energies, this period can be incredibly rewarding. The synergy of Mars and Saturn in Virgo allows you to harness the best of both worlds, the determination and vigor of Mars, and the wisdom and discipline of Saturn. You'll find yourself more capable of setting realistic, achievable goals and following through with them meticulously. This is an ideal time for taking on complex projects that require both initiative and careful management. Whether you're working on career advancement, personal development, or large-scale projects, the combined influence of Mars and Saturn in Virgo will support your efforts to build something lasting and meaningful. The key to success lies in embracing both the dynamic energy of Mars and the disciplined approach of Saturn, ensuring that your actions are not only effective, but also sustainable in the long run. Embracing the challenges and opportunities of this period. The transition of Mars and Saturn into Virgo is a period of immense potential, but it also comes with its challenges. The demand for perfection, discipline, and responsibility can sometimes feel heavy, but it's important to remember that these qualities are the building blocks of long-term success. This is a time to be patient with yourself, to acknowledge your progress, and to keep moving forward even when the path seems difficult. As you navigate this period, focus on the areas of your life where you can make meaningful improvements. Whether it's enhancing your work habits, improving your health, or strengthening your relationships, the energy of Virgo, amplified by Mars and Saturn, will guide you towards making positive, lasting changes. By embracing the meticulous and disciplined nature of Virgo, you'll be able to achieve your goals with precision and confidence, setting the stage for a successful and fulfilling future. If you've ever faced challenges or felt pressure dealing with your own perfectionism, especially when Virgo's energy is in play, share your experience in the comments below using the keyword Virgo perseverance. Let's discuss together and find ways to balance ambition with patience in our lives so we can all learn from and inspire each other. In life, there are real stories that surpass anything we could ever imagine. Stories of individuals who have overcome seemingly insurmountable obstacles, not only to succeed but to inspire millions around the world. These stories remind us that with unwavering determination and resolve, we can turn the greatest challenges into opportunities for growth and success. One of the best ways to explore this inner strength is to look at the lives of famous people who have faced adversity and risen to become symbols of perseverance and achievement. The story of Jack Ma, a quintessential Virgo. One of the brightest examples of perseverance and determination in the face of adversity is the story of Jack Ma, the founder and former chairman of Alibaba. Born under the Virgo zodiac sign, Jack Ma is not only an outstanding entrepreneur, but also a living embodiment of the remarkable qualities that this zodiac sign bestows: meticulousness, perfectionism, and an unwavering commitment to pursuing one's dreams. Jack Ma was born in 1964 in Hangzhou, China, into a family with modest means. From a young age, Jack Ma faced countless challenges. He was not a stellar student and even failed the university entrance exam twice before finally being admitted to Hangzhou Normal University. After graduation, Jack Ma also struggled to find a job. He has shared that he was rejected from 30 different jobs, including an application to KFC. But it was precisely these failures that forged a resilient Jack Ma who never gave up. Virgo is a zodiac sign renowned for its meticulousness, attention to detail, and determination. These traits became the foundation for Jack Ma's success. When he started Alibaba, he faced not only enormous challenges in building a tech company from scratch, but also skepticism and a lack of faith from those around him. However, with the spirit of a Virgo, he always believed in his vision and persevered in pursuing it. He continuously learned, improved, and refined his business model, always focusing on the smallest details to ensure his company's success. Jack Ma's story is also a testament to the endurance and pressure-handling abilities of a Virgo. Even when confronted with early failures, he never lost faith in his abilities. Instead, he viewed each failure as a valuable lesson, an opportunity to improve and grow. He once said, "Today's failure is a blessing. It teaches you more than success. You learn more from bad days than from good days." Throughout his journey in building Alibaba, Jack Ma was not only a brilliant leader, but also a mentor who consistently encouraged and inspired those around him. He is someone who always prioritized personal development and continuous learning, an outstanding trait of Virgos. To him, success was not just about achieving financial goals, but also about contributing to a better world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive. Looking back, Jack Ma's story is a symbol of inner strength and relentless perseverance. It is the story of a quintessential Virgo who overcame every obstacle and challenge, turning seemingly impossible dreams into reality. His achievements are not just a testament to the talent and resilience of an individual, but also an endless source of inspiration for millions of people worldwide. Through Jack Ma's story, we learn that no matter your starting point or how many difficulties you face, if you have the faith, determination, and meticulousness of a Virgo, you can reach the heights you aspire to. This is a valuable lesson that each of us can apply to our own lives to keep striving and perfecting ourselves. The combination of Mars's action-oriented energy and Saturn's steadfastness in Virgo helps us realize that success doesn't just come from doing things right, but from doing the best we can. Jack Ma's story exemplifies turning failures into stepping stones for success, showing that with determination, meticulousness, and faith in oneself, we can overcome any obstacles to reach the pinnacle of perfection and achievement. Let these lessons serve as motivation for you to continue moving forward on your own journey to conquer your dreams. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. Your support and engagement are incredibly motivating for us to continue delivering quality and meaningful content. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any exciting content in the future. We look forward to seeing you in the upcoming videos, where we'll explore more interesting and valuable topics together. Please continue to join us on this journey.